Enterprises are increasingly adopting generative AI technologies to enhance innovation, streamline operations, and gain a competitive edge in their respective industries. Generative AI, which involves algorithms that can create content, designs, and solutions autonomously, is transforming how businesses operate and is offering new opportunities across various sectors. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Generative AI is being used to create content at scale, including text, images, and videos. This is particularly valuable in marketing, where AI can generate personalized advertisements, social media posts, and product descriptions tailored to specific audiences. In industries like manufacturing and automotive, generative AI is used to design new products or optimize the existing ones. AI can explore a vast array of design possibilities, leading to innovative solutions that might not be conceived by human designers alone. AI driven chatbots and virtual assistants are improving customer service by providing instant responses to customer inquiries, handling routine tasks, and even resolving issues without human intervention. This enhances customer experience while reducing operational costs. Generative AI can analyze large datasets to generate insights, forecasts, and recommendations. This helps enterprises in sectors like finance, healthcare, and retail to make data driven decisions, optimize supply chains, and predict market trends more accurately. Businesses are using generative AI to deliver highly personalized experiences to their customers. By analyzing customer data, AI can generate tailored product recommendations, customized marketing messages, and individualized content, increasing customer engagement and loyalty. Generative AI tools like GitHub Copilot are helping developers write code more efficiently by suggesting snippets, completing lines, and even generating entire functions based on natural language prompts. This accelerates software development and reduces errors. In the pharmaceutical and healthcare sectors, generative AI is being used to accelerate drug discovery, design personalized treatment plans, and even generate synthetic data for research. AI driven models can simulate how new drugs might interact with the human body, speeding up the development progress. In fields like fashion, art, and entertainment, generative AI is being used to create new designs, music, and artwork. AI can collaborate with human creators to produce novel works, blending machine creativity with human ingenuity. As generative AI technologies continue to evolve, they will likely become even more integral to enterprise operations. The potential to automate creative processes, optimize decision making, and generate innovative solutions makes generative AI a powerful tool for businesses looking to stay ahead in a rapidly changing market. Let's look into today's headlines. Online passport seva kendras to be shut for 5 days. The government has announced that the online portal for passport applications will be shut for the next 5 days for a maintenance exercise. No new appointments will be scheduled during this period, while the appointments booked earlier will be rescheduled. The External Affairs Ministry said that the maintenance activity for the public-centric service like the Passport Seva Kendras is always planned in advance so that no inconvenience is meted out to public. AMD launches its latest Zen 5 Ryzen 9000 series processors in India. AMD in India unveiled its groundbreaking new AMD Ryzen 9000 series desktop processors. Built on the latest Zen 5 architecture, these processors deliver cutting-edge performance for gamers, content creators, and prosumers. The Zen 5 architecture in the new AMD Ryzen 9000 series desktop processors that offers an immersive average 16% better IPC performance compared to the prior generation Zen 4 architecture. The flagship Ryzen 9950X delivers the fastest consumer desktop performance in the world. Apple and Nvidia in talks to invest in OpenAI. As part of a new fundraising round, Apple and Nvidia are reportedly in talks to invest in OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT. If this investment goes through, it could potentially value OpenAI at over $100 billion. This comes after news that Thrive Capital, a venture capital firm, is planning to invest around $1 billion in OpenAI, leading the current fundraising efforts. Microsoft, OpenAI's largest investor, is also expected to participate in this new funding round. Reliance Industries Limited introduces AI-powered GeoBrain. Reliance Industries Limited has introduced GeoBrain, a new AI-driven platform designed to integrate artificial intelligence into various business processes. GeoBrain is a suite of tools and platforms developed by Reliance Jio to streamline AI adoption across its operations and is part of Jio's broader strategy to enhance operational efficiency and improve customer service through AI. The platform is intended to help Jio and other Reliance companies make faster decisions, improve predictions, and better understand customer needs. Dhruv Rathi and Gaurav Taneja argue over UP government's payment of Rs 8 lakh to influencers. YouTubers Dhruv Rathi and Gaurav Taneja are at conflict over the Uttar Pradesh government's new social media policy, which allows influencers to earn up to Rs 8 lakh per month for promoting the government. Dhruv Rathi attacked the strategy, accusing it of misusing taxpayer funds. Gaurav Taneja, on the other hand, defended the initiative and asked whether newspapers and television networks that are paid to air government advertisements should be ashamed as well. The new regulation also provides life imprisonment for anyone who creates anti-national, vulgar, or unpleasant content. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.